On today's menu, a heavenly drink that's next level. Coconut Dalgona coffee. Lei Ho Ma, I'm Wil Yeung. Welcome to my channel where I help you cook with confidence. I hope you're keeping safe and keeping well, staying inside your house. Now this recipe for the Dalgona coffee has been a bit of a viral sensation in the Asian world. I want to show you my take on this particular recipe. 1 cup worth of coconut cream. Now make sure you're using a full fat coconut milk, and it will also help if you put the can in the fridge to help the cream rise to the top. Three tablespoons cane sugar, pinch of pink salt, single shot espresso, whisk on high for 2 minutes until it becomes light and fluffy. Fill a cup with ice. Fill your cup with coconut or almond milk 3/4 of the way. Coconut coffee, froth. You can now make this heavenly drink with absolute confidence. Now the original recipe actually calls for instant coffee, but I don't have instant coffee. So this is my version of the Dalgona coffee. It is really thick. It literally tastes like caramel with hints of coconut and coffee. It's actually incredibly delicious. Almost heavenly, like heavenly desserts. Be sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next episode.